Tutorial Video 8, HD1500 Robot Safety. Hello, thank you for choosing OMRON's HD1500 mobile robot to support your material transportation needs. This video highlights some of the safety features and then demonstrates how to safety commission the HD1500 mobile robot. Safety Systems Overview. There are some game-changing innovations to our mobile robot safety in the design of the HD. For example, all safety devices on the HD1500 are now managed by the NX-SL5500 OMRON safety controller. There is now 360-degree safety scanner coverage, with each laser providing 270 degrees of coverage. There are 70 safety zones which adapt the active protective field based on the robot's linear and rotational velocity. There is now a manual pendant with a 3-position enable switch for added safety. Safety commissioning the HD1500. Before using your robot, it needs to be safety commissioned to make sure that the main safety laser and emergency stops are working properly. So next, we will show you how to perform safety commissioning with the mobile planner for the HD1500. Connect a pendant to the HD. Connect to the robot in Mobile Planner. Then open the menu Robot and submenu Safety Commissioning. A wizard will help you easily go through this process. There are 2 parts, e-stop commissioning and safety laser commissioning. Follow the instructions given by Mobile Planner to trigger each emergency stop input one by one to verify that each is functional. This will include each of 4 e-stop buttons on the sides of the HD, on the pendant, and on the user interface. Now that part 1 of the safety commissioning is completed, you may begin the safety laser commissioning. There are 3 parts to the safety laser commissioning: the front laser, the rear laser, and the safety speed zone verification. For the front laser test, place your hand or a small object in the gap where the front laser is. Your hand or the object should be close to the safety lasers to commission, but don't touch the laser because it will smudge and possibly cause false positives. Repeat this for the rear laser. When the wizard indicates it's time to use the pendant, hold the pendant and press the switch into the middle position and press the on button to unlatch any e-stops. When ready, press the Enable Pendant button in the Safety Commissioning wizard. Stand clear, as the HD can move on its own. When ready, toggle the pendant in any direction to initiate the HD in motion. With the pendant still attached, ensure that the robot has clearance to rotate freely without hitting you or any obstacles. Enable motion in the Mobile Planner wizard, and the HD will move through a series of test motions to complete the speed zone training. Now that all steps of safety commissioning are complete, you may generate a commissioning certificate. This concludes the video HD1500 Robot Safety. We hope this video will help you learn some of the safety features and how to safety commission the HD1500 mobile robot.